What up, YouTube? I'm gonna be showing you how to change the steering wheel on a 94 through 04 Mustang, a GT or a V6. I'm gonna be changing mine just because it's so old already. So discolored. It's just nasty. And I picked this one up at a junkyard for 12 bucks. Not bad. And it's in great condition. I didn't get the airbag because the one that was under was tearing up right here and everything. Only the actual steering wheel was in good condition. But what you needed to do is first disconnect the battery. I already disconnected mine. It's been about 30 minutes. Just so you don't want the airbag going off. Then you're gonna wanna pop these little clips out. On both sides, and it's gonna be an 8mm bolt. Same thing. They're not really tight on there, so it's just one twist and then it'll break it loose. Now just unscrew by hand. The other side. Alright, once you do that, you're gonna pull out the actual airbag module, and then there's gonna be this wire here. I want to undo that. The little tab right there. Just press down on it. And there it is. Set that there. Then you're gonna want to undo this for the clock spring. Now this one you're gonna need a flat head, so you can pop out this connection. You just bring it up and pop it out of there. There it is. That's for the cruise controls right here. Mine don't work. That's another reason. Sorry. That's another reason I'm gonna be switching it. Now, this is the bolt that you want to undo. It's gonna be a 250. I'm using a 1/2 inch. And what you want to do is turn your wheel till it locks. See? Because you're gonna want to use a little bit of force on that. Oh, That wasn't bad. There's the bolt. I think it has some thread locker on there. Oh yeah. I'm gonna make sure we put more on there too. Alright, now here comes the fun part. Since I'm gonna be showing you how to take it off without the actual puller. Now once you unbolt that bolt, you can just let it go right now to where it's loose. And you kind of wanna there's a little mark in there, so you can align it. See, this one wasn't even aligned that good. See, this one has it too, to show the center. Now since I don't have the pulley, like I was saying, or the puller, I'm gonna be doing it with the mallet. And since I'm not gonna be using this steering wheel, I don't really care how it turns out. You just want to hit it around the sides, try to get it loose. Set the phone down. Maybe I could record without it falling. Nope. Come on. Alright, if that doesn't work, just try. See, it's right there. We go. Got it off. Good old steering wheel. With the old, and then with the new. There we go. Right there's a spot. And then put that bolt back in there. There we go. That should be tight enough. Alright, feels good. Now, the airbag module. I'm using the same one because it wasn't damaged or anything. First, you want to plug the cruise control wire. There it is. And the airbag. Oh, and I'm gonna be switching out this cruise control one because the one I have on my other steering wheel is not broken like this piece. I might keep that one, but I'm gonna be changing this one. For now. Sorry about that. I got a phone call, but yeah, you plug in the cruise control. I already took off this little cap from the old one and put it on this one because it was missing. So there it is. Then you want to plug your airbag. Set it on there. Oh yeah, there it is. Damn, I might actually paint this right now. You know what? Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and paint that. Let's just continue the video then. Let me unplug it again. And I'll see you at the prep table. Alright, this is the paint I'm gonna be using. It's flat black. It looks really good. If you use a like a gloss, it's gonna look really. It's gonna be really noticeable that it got painted. It's not gonna look that factory like this. I already prepped it up. And we're gonna start with the light coats. Very light. I'm gonna let it sit for 5-10 minutes, and then we'll hit it with the second coat. Be right back. Alright, we're gonna hit it with the second coat. Feels good already. Get a little thicker, not too much, just enough. This paint's actually kind of hard to run. Like, shouldn't be sorry, got interrupted, but yeah, second coat going on there good. We'll be back. What up, guys? Back to the install. I want to get ahead and hit it with the third coat. You know, I think it looks pretty beast. Came out looking good. So we're gonna put it back together now. First, plug your airbag. There it is. I'm gonna set it. Put your 2 8mm bolts. Alright. There we go. And that's how you remove and replace and paint your steering wheel. Thank you for watching. That was for a 94 through 04 Mustang GT or V6. If you have any questions or anything, just leave a comment and I'll get back to you.